It's raining a lot here in Greece. It has been 1 week without raining, so one day with rain is not a big deal. Here is my balcony. It's even thunder coming. And I have been taking my raw food, and then I have made some food which will be for 3 days. Yeah, in the fridge I'll put the fish. I have only one. I have only a mono. So I had to boil for like 1-2 hours the lentils because the peas, they were hard. So they need a little longer time. Then I fried separately on this pan. I was frying first the onion and the leek, and then I put it inside the big pan which was on the side. Then I took the mushrooms. I have oyster mushrooms. They're very cheap, like €4 a kilo, even more cheap than the regular champignons, the mushrooms. In Sweden, these are like 2, 3, 4 times more expensive. So it was a great, I found it here. That was a good surprise. Why am I adding mushrooms? Because they make amazing things for the microbiome. If you have a good microbiome, you will like healthy food. The body will make a lot of good bacteria, and a lot of it will continue to have good bacteria, and it makes you want to eat the food which will create a good bacteria, which in turn will make a lot of vitamins and protection for your body. And it's even if you have a good microbiome, some people who are very like shy like that, they can become open. So it really it has a very powerful healing effect, and also mentally it has a very good effect. And then finally I was making the spinach. I bought some raw fresh spinach, very cheap, for like €3 a kilo. And now it's going to boil for a few minutes together to make it a little bit warmer, and then I can eat 1/3 of it today. And then it'll cool down, and then I'll put the rest in the fridge. So this is basically a hotel room. The only difference is that it has a sink, and it has like this a plate. That's all. Otherwise it's like a hotel. So I can really recommend to try it. I cannot see any difference between a hotel and here. There might be some difference, but there is no TV. But sometimes there is a TV also in the flats. So this is some kind of a hotel, apartment hotel. So that gives you the freedom to make the food and the tea as you want. Because if I eat out, I can get sick, I can get headache. I'm very sensitive to wheat and to gluten, and they often don't know what is inside. So for me to keep in the best shape always, this is the perfect way to do. Okay?